Now if I click on this remember my choice and click on this always allow, then it will never ask me this kind of permission again. So here you can see if I try to send a message again, so it did not ask me a permission. Now how can I enable it again? How can I reset it again? It's very easy. You just need to go to the settings of your mobile. Here you can see, click on settings according to your mobile, whatever you have, then search here apps, applications. Here you can see apps. Now if I click on this apps, perfect. Now here you can see on the right side, on the top right side, 3 dots, this, click on this. Now here you can see special access, click on this, perfect. Now scroll down and here you can see use premium text messages services, click on this, perfect. Now click on this messages, now click on this ask, perfect. Go to the SMS. Now here you can see, you can, if you send a message again. So this is how you can reset your remember my choice settings on messaging apps. So if this your video was to the point, you liked it, so please like and comment. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.